Hello, my name is Tyra Niebergall and I live on Vancouver Island, BC, Canada. And I joined ONPASSIVE June 2020. The reason I joined was, of course, the money. I mean, come on, this is an AI IT company. Anything pertaining to that, and that's the way to go. But I gotta tell you, when I got in and began to learn about the company, I realized what I had found, and I stayed because of the heart for humanity that ONPASSIVE has. And oh my gosh, that is totally my heart. I have always been one to go after the underdog. I ran a drop-in center for kids after school programs, a lot of the kids coming from struggling homes. And you know, when I heard some of the things that ONPASSIVE is about, I knew this is the company for me. This is where I need to be. When I heard the release of Oh Bless and what we can do with that, just the stuff that's coming out with Oh Tracker and Oh Women, like it's just really creating a depth of respect and love for ONPASSIVE, for our CEO, for every staff member that is working so hard to make this company an amazing success. Something that I want to share with you, if you have or are sitting on the fence, my message to you would be, get in. As I said earlier, it's a no-brainer. If it's AI and IT and you're getting into something like that, you know that nowadays that's where the money is. But look at it closer, because oh my goodness, the things you're going to discover about ONPASSIVE and the heart of ONPASSIVE and how it is going to literally change humanity. And it's not an it, so I take that back. It's people. That's what's going to change humanity, are the people in it. And we are drawing people of the highest caliber. And I say that in such a way that people are being drawn to a company that has heart, to a company that is concerned about the person and seeing that person in success. That would be my message to you. And I can't even imagine it, but you do have a money back guarantee that you can get a refund. Knowing what I know, in coming almost to a year with the company, that would be a terrible mistake. ONPASSIVE is the company of the future, is the company of today, and the people in it are like a beating heart after the right things, the things that were intended upon this earth to care for each other. So thank you.